Okay, welcome back to our channel. And if you're here, you're looking for instructions how to change out that upper channel right up above your 5-pole door. So let's get into this. We'll show you how easy it is to change out this channel. First thing you want to do is you want to measure how wide your double doors are. This particular one is for our washer and dryer, and it comes up to roughly 60 inches, and that's so go to your Home Depot or Lowe's or hardware store, and they should have these there. And then there's how you can tell what size you need. So you're probably asking, how do I get these doors off? Well, that's a great question, because it's pretty easy. Let's see. Let me show you how it's done. I got my hands in under the door. Just lift up, and you can see how it comes out of that track, and just bring it forward. And we got both doors here set off to the side, and now we can look up here. You can see where I repaired it before, but this video I'm going to go ahead and change it out, because you can kind of see on this side how it's really damaged on this side. I may be able to see how this is all loose. I might be able to stick those screws in there and fix this one. But for those of you that want to go ahead and change out the channel anyway, maybe you don't trust this 6 screws or whatever it might be, we're going to show you how to change that out. Basically what you want to do is take a marker and mark where this is now. It'll make it a lot easier for knowing where it goes into place, and take note how much space is right here, and over here on this side it's centered up. So now all there's a screw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. We'll just remove them. Okay, we have all the screws out except for this one on each end. And before you take that down, you're going to want to make sure to measure to the center of that hole. And this one looks like it is 1 3/4 inches, because you're going to want to make sure this bracket's in the same place. That way it don't interrupt the position of where the door was originally. And you can see that it's lined up. And now that we have a screw on that side and then a screw on this side, and we'll go ahead and put the 3 in the middle. The rail back up there, we got the 5 screws in like that, and this is already preset, and I measured it, and it's pretty close to what the other one was when I took it out. So now basically all we have to do, since this door, these set of doors here kind of open and close daily, sometimes multiple times in a day, eventually this is going to be just like the other one, and it'll work loose, and then this channel will kind of spread apart. And so what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and stick those 3 screws in each side, like that previous video that I referenced. And at the end of this video, you can click on that one, and I'll show you just how we repaired those. And you put those in, and that'll prevent it failing prematurely. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Just go ahead and subscribe and top it off with the bell ringing. And until the next time, you have yourself a great weekend.